New tonight, attorneys for the man accused of killing Migos rapper Takeoff are asking a judge to significantly slash his $2 million bond. Well, Patrick Clark was deemed a flight risk after buying a ticket to Mexico and requesting an expedited passport. ABC 13's Jessica Willey talked with Clark's attorney, who's preparing to face a judge this week. Jessica?
Yeah, Eric, Patrick Clark's next court hearing is here on Wednesday, during which his attorney will ask for a much lower bond. The state wanted it high, saying he was a flight risk with cash on hand and a danger to the public. His attorney says he's just a student and a disc jockey and shouldn't be treated any differently because of who the victim is.
No matter how you look at it, this is a tragedy.
Criminal defense attorney Letitia Quinones talking about the sensitivity of the case against her client, Patrick Clark, the 33-year-old charged with murder in the shooting death of Kersnick Kari Ball, better known as rapper Takeoff. Clark, who flaunts a lavish lifestyle on social media, has spent 12 days in jail on a $2 million bond. An motion filed today asking for it to be reduced to $100,000. Quinones called it excessive.
It is extremely excessive. We did some research, and what we determined is that the average median income for a citizen in Harris County is around $60,000, $65,000. And so the bond, as it is set now, it would take 4 years for the average citizen to raise funds to post bail in that amount. In addition to that, defendants who are similarly situated as Mr. Clark do not have $2 million bonds.
According to a search warrant released last week, Houston police say video shows Clark holding a gun in one hand, a wine bottle in the other, and shooting in the direction where Takeoff was in the early morning hours of November 1st in downtown Houston. It's unclear whether police recovered a gun from Clark's truck that matches casings from the scene. Police say the rapper was an innocent bystander. The warrant says there was another shooter shooting in a different direction. It says Quinones believes that raises questions.
When the time is right and all the evidence comes out, I feel very confident that it is going to change the narrative from what it is right now. And I just don't want Mr. Clark to suffer as a result of the tragedy that exists in this case. And that is that another young man who happens to be a Grammy Award winner was killed. And so we just want the law and we want the Constitution to protect Mr. Clark as it does everyone else.
Jessica Willey, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.